Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. This is Unity's Digital Connections for Monday, March 30th. Have a great day. Today is a day for. The Unity weather forecast for today, currently at 7 a.m., it's 36 degrees. Today, there will be a high of 56, beautiful sunny day. Same thing tomorrow with a high of 53. Calm winds all day, try to get outside the best you can. Good morning, Unity students and parents. It's Monday morning, and for this week, it'll be pretty similar to last week to start off with. So Monday and Tuesday, we'll just have a regular checklist. Make sure you are going through the checklist to find each of the categories or each of the folders that you'll do for each of the classes. Make sure you complete all of those. Starting on Wednesday, the checklist is going to look a little bit different. And as you'll see, Mr. Kitzrow and probably the school district will send some emails explaining that soon we'll be going to graded online school, which will look very similar to what we've done. We spent a lot of time putting together the format for this with that in mind. And it'll be very similar. Checklist a little bit different, but Miss Brady will explain that one tomorrow in her email and in her video. So again, checklist by 8 o'clock at night. Make sure you have it checked off, and make sure you're being truthful about that, because it's not very hard for us just to look back and say, oh, you checked that off, and like, we didn't read this. We do check all of those things. And again, they'll be for grades soon, so you should get in a good habit of getting everything done. And we're really not sure exactly when it is. Right now, everything is scored. So we do have scores for everything. So make sure that you're getting your things done. And looking forward to a new week with new online content, interesting things going on. And we will be interested just to hear from you and how things are going too. So have a good Monday, and we'll catch you through Shobi.